Protecting Second Amendment rights. In a significant move to safeguard constitutional rights, the President has issued an order emphasizing the importance of the Second Amendment. This order underscores that the Second Amendment is an indispensable safeguard of security and liberty. It serves as a vital instrument for enabling citizens to maintain a balance of power between the government and the people, ensuring the freedoms that Americans cherish and often take for granted. The historical context behind the Second Amendment highlights its importance throughout America's past. It has preserved the right of the American people to protect ourselves, our families, and our freedoms since the founding of our great nation. This foundational right to keep and bear arms must not be infringed, as it is intertwined with the spirit of independence and self-sufficiency that defines the American identity. Purpose of the order. The order tightly intertwines the right to bear arms with the preservation of all other rights held by Americans. It serves as a reminder to the nation of the ongoing necessity to protect these rights vigilantly to avoid erosion of freedoms. It asserts that this right is essential for maintaining their security and liberty. Without it, there is a risk of vulnerability to external and internal threats that could undermine the fabric of American society. By endorsing this protective measure, the administration aims to reaffirm its commitment to uphold this crucial right for all citizens. Plan of action. To tackle any potential infringements, the order lays out a clear plan of action. This blueprint is designed to methodically address issues that may compromise Second Amendment rights. It instructs the Attorney General to undertake a thorough examination of the policies and regulations put in place by various executive departments and agencies. This assessment should look into any ongoing or previously unaddressed violations of Second Amendment rights. Within 30 days, the Attorney General is required to present a proposed plan of action to the President, facilitated through the Domestic Policy Advisor. Key areas for review. When developing this plan, the Attorney General is mandated to review key areas that could have affected citizens' rights. Actions taken by the President and executive agencies that may have compromised Second Amendment rights. Agency plans regarding regulatory enforcement impacting firearms. Reports released by the White House Office of Gun Violence Prevention. Positions taken by the United States in Second Amendment litigation. The classifications of firearms and ammunition by various agencies. The processes concerning applications to make, manufacture, transfer, or export firearms. Implementation of the order. Once the proposed plan of action has been submitted, the Attorney General is to collaborate with the Domestic Policy Advisor to finalize it and establish a process for implementation. This structured approach highlights the administration's intent not only to review and understand past actions, but also to take steps toward the protection of Second Amendment rights. General provisions of the order. This order does not impair the established authority of any executive department or agency. The implementation of this order is to be consistent with applicable law and available appropriations. In summary, this presidential order is a decisive step toward affirming the rights enshrined in the Second Amendment, while ensuring a structured review of past actions. The administration is making it clear that the right to bear arms remains a fundamental aspect of American freedom. Read the full text of this executive order in the link in the description.